The dental problems that brought me to Elmsleigh House were that I'd had an accident a long time ago and it caused me to damage my front teeth. I had crowns put in, but over time they broke down when they were giving me problems. So I had looked at options on having crowns replaced, having dentures and then an implant. So that's what brought me to Elmsleigh House. I was pretty nervous, to be honest, thinking because of the word surgery, but when I went for the appointment, it was just like another dental appointment. I had the work done, there wasn't any pain, there wasn't anything different, it wasn't longer than a normal appointment. It was surprisingly simple, easy and comfortable. I was really pleased with the process of getting the crowns made. It was a very meticulous and personal process. The chap from the lab came, we went outside, we looked at the colour of my teeth either side, the colour of the teeth from top to bottom, and the shade and how they match in, and not just the colour but the shape. They gave trial implants to see how they matched and to ensure that when I did get the final implant in, the colour was matched perfectly and I was happy up to that point. I've got to smile back because obviously before it happened I was conscious of the breakdown on my teeth and I'd had temporary crowns put in, I even had a denture put in, which being on my front teeth made me conscious. So I lost a bit of the smile, but now I've got a smile back and I seem to use it a lot more. My implants are very strong. They were actually stronger than the original crowns when they were put in a long time ago, and they feel more part of me than ever a crown ever did. I've got confidence in eating anything from apples, crunchy apples, to anything and not having that thought in the back of my head at a meal, be careful, watch what you do. So it's removed all thoughts of watch what you do. But one of the things I thought about at the start was the cost, and I did look around for other options, and I did look at other practices for their options. But the value for money I've got, the personal attention, the care, the detail, the effect, the feel, the look, the aesthetic, everything is just added to that value for money. So I definitely think it's been value for money. Elmsleigh House Clinic is a lovely clinic. It almost doesn't feel like a practice. From when you walk in the door, the girls at the reception are friendly. It's a nice setting, comfortable setting, and the dentists and the receptionists all make you feel welcome, all very personable, all very nice, and it just adds to the whole experience of not being at the dentist. I had crowns in for a long time, and they do break down. I was worried about the cost, I was looking at shortcuts. So anybody who was thinking of implants, I would recommend them to go for the implant for the longevity, the look, the feel, and if they were going for implants, I would certainly recommend that they go to Elmsleigh House for it.